if you're here, that means you got this problem wrong, and we're going to be working this out together. So Drake will practice with his band for 1.5 hours on Monday, 1 and 3 over 4 hours on Tuesday, and 2 hours on Wednesday. Next week, Drake will practice with his band for the same number of hours Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. What is the total number of hours Drake will practice with his band over these 6 days? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to categorize this as Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay? Because I know he practices with his band 1.5 hours on Monday, and I like to just kind of take notes as I work through problems because it helps me pull it out of the word problem. And then 1 3 over 4 hours on Tuesday. 1 3 over 4, and then 2 hours on Wednesday. So this was the first week. Then it says next week Drake will practice with his band for the same number of hours, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So again, he's going to work with his band 1.5, 1 3 over 4, and then 2. So I'm going to put this was week 1, and this was week 2. It says, what is the total number of hours Drake will practice with his band over these 6 days? So these are the 6 days. So basically what I need to do is add all these together. Now, I'm not going to waste my time adding them all up separately and then adding them together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add these two together, get my answer, then add this one, and then multiply it by 2. So I'm going to add all this up real quick, and that's going to be 1.5 plus 1 and 3 over 4. I'm going to work out this one separately before I add the 2. So you should know that we're going to do the Texas method. So I'm going to do 2 times 1 to get me 2, plus 1, which gets me 3. So I have 3 over 2. 4 times 1 gets me 4. Plus 3 gets me 7 over 4. We're going to add those together. Now, before you add fractions, you need to make sure that you have common denominators. And right now, I don't. So I'm going to come over here and figure out a least common multiple. So 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 4, 8, 12, 16. Right now, I see a common multiple here, but I even see a smaller one right here. So I'm going to make both of these have the denominator 4. This one already does, so I don't have to worry about it. But this one doesn't, so I need to do 2 times 2. And what you do to the bottom, you do it to the top, so that's 6 over 4. And then we're going to add them together. 6 plus 7 is going to get me 13. And we're going to keep our denominator the same. So this is 13 over 4. That's just for Monday and Tuesday. I need to add in the Wednesday, so I'm going to add that 2 in. Now, when I do 13 over 4 plus 2, that's a whole number, and I need to make that whole number into a fraction by doing 2 over 1. I'm going to rewrite it below so I see all my steps. So it's 13 over 4 plus 2 over 1. This does not have a common denominator of 4, so I'm going to multiply my bottom and top by 4, and that's going to give me 8 over 4 plus 13 over 4. Keep our denominators the same. And then I need to do 13 plus 8. I'm going to work it out over here. 8 plus 3 is going to get me 11, 21 over 4. So I have 21 over 4. For the whole week. So that means he spent 21 over 4 hours practicing with his band. And then he does it again the same week. So if I added this up again, it would just give me 21 over 4. So you have 2 options. You could add these together, or you could just multiply it by 2. Since I already wrote these side by side, I'm just going to go ahead and do 21 over 4 plus 21 over 4. And what you could have done is just done 21 over 4 times 2. This is going to give me 42. Keep my denominator the same, 42 over 4. Now, I don't like leaving this as an improper fraction, so that means I need to do 42 divided by 4. 4 can go into 4 one time. Bring down my 2. 4 cannot go into 2, so it's 0. So now this is my remainder. And I'm going to make my remainder my numerator. So now this is 10 2 over 4. But you can simplify that 10 2 over 4 by dividing both of these by 2. That's going to get you 1/2. And so I'm going to rewrite my answer as 10 1 over 2 hours practicing. And then that's a lot of work on this page, so I'm going to circle it. Go ahead and do the next few problems for some practice.